What's up, my Chuckle crew? Welcome to my YouTube channel, your front row seat to the wildest construction bloopers ever. We've scoured the web to find clips so funny you'll be laughing harder than a bulldozer on a sugar rush. From scaffolding shenanigans to tools with a mind of their own, we've got it all. New videos drop daily, so hit subscribe, share your craziest stories, and let's keep the laughs piling up.
What's good, laugh lovers? Weren't those construction bloopers just pure chaos? Did My Hard Hat Heroes have you laughing so hard you almost toppled over like a badly balanced scaffold? Don't even think about clicking away. The clips coming up are so side-splitting they'll make a jackhammer blush with envy. We've got workers pulling accidental comedy gold and machinery with a knack for mischief. Leave now, and you'll be kicking yourself like a worker who forgot his toolbox. Ha ha! Hit subscribe, drop your funniest comments, and let's build a laughter skyscraper.
That's all for today's chaos. Hope you laughed till you cried. Big thanks for watching. Catch you at 7 p.m. every day. Now go cause some trouble.